Hey everyone, today we're going to be playing Royal High.
That was loud.
It was?
Yeah.
Where's my mouse? I lost my mouse.
Can't find your mouse.
Okay, I turned it off. I turned it back on. Let's go. Connected, but why isn't my mouse moving?
What are you doing, Gino?
How do you X out of the thing with the keyboard?
Wow, this is too much green.
Yes! I did it! Okay, now I can rejoin you. Okay, so where are we? Oh, Rosie.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
I know.
You're so extra. You're so extra, my gosh. Parmesan
You
cheese.
said look like a this. So, yeah.
I never said look like that.
No, I thought you said it looked like a practice hitting people.
No, I said let's. Never mind.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Stop! You're in my way of me changing! Can you please go?
Okay.
Blue, can you leave too?
Let's
Oh,
cover her up.
please
Don't.
stop. Just watch.
You do.
Oh, you're. We need to put this in family-friendly content. No jumping off a cliff, Blue. Oh my gosh. Look at me. Today I'm gonna be an angel. Sorry, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, let's switch our let's
Yeah.
switch our element. Let's switch who we are. Like I'll be a demon now, and you could be the angel now. For 24 hours.
24. Fine.
It's gonna be the challenge. And Blue, you could do the challenge too. So you're a demon, so you have to be an angel now. Okay, fine.
That means I also have to change my hair color. Huh.
We need a look.
You need to be.
Oh, no.
I'm not changing my hair color because I can't find anything. So. Oh, I don't like how I look. I look gross. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Why do
You have to change your hair color.
I can't find any.
Just take and click on the the white section.
I did.
And it's fine. And it's fine if it has the little. Okay.
Sorry, I look so gross.
I have this one. Well, I'm not judging the demon. You're judging the angel now. Like, what's wrong with you?
I don't like it.
Okay. I need to find
shoot.
What?
I have to do that.
Oh no. I have to change. I have to pick out the pink. Wait. Wait. I could do like a pink and I'm done. I'm done. You are? I'm done with the sleepy. Oh yeah, this kind of looks beautiful, but this is cool. Something dark. I need it dark.
Look how gross I look. Ah.
This kind of looks evil, like, oh no, that looks I'm super evil. I look like I died.
You look like you died?
That's so weird.
Oh, I look so good.
Because look, I'm not sure it's a school. I'll keep this makeup. I can't find any good ones.
Okay. Rosie, hurry up. You have to see all of ours. You have to see my angel.
Yeah, hide away from her. Okay, this is kind of good. Okay, I'm gonna hide away from her so she doesn't see her. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you look disgusting. It doesn't suit you.
I know. But, like, if it wasn't me, it would look pretty.
Oh, send a joint. Oh no, you're gonna find what I am. I know you're gonna find what I am.
Let's go into one of the Royal High things.
What's real high? Wait! I'm gonna start the game. Can you guys help me? I've been captured out here. Which one though?
I don't know which one.
I'm captured. See, I'm captured. No, just click on this and then let's teleport. Where? Where are we teleporting?
Where are we teleporting? Oh, let's go to the getaway.
The what?
The getaway.
Oh, okay. The bottom one, do you know? Oh, yeah, I knew that. Yeah, sure you do. That's an angel. We used to wear them now, which is now gone. Now, Liberty, I forgot to give my name.
Ew.
Oh yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Oh, okay. Then I'll wait. You guys left me.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
We have to live like this for 24 hours. I don't like this.
I don't like this.
I do love the color black, but
I look like a Barbie.
Oh, what did, no. No, please! No. No, do you know you can't put your name like that? No, creepy. That isn't creepy, that's like, oh my gosh, what is...
Oh my gosh. Well,
Okay.
I'm gonna get a room for all of us.
No, D-E-M-O-N.
Ah, okay. Okay, you guys, you better come with me. Turds.
Okay.
Follow me, turds. Demon rules. Okay, come on, come on, come on.
I rule the galaxy of demons.
Actually, no, that's me.
Who are you?
I'm by the elevator, you people.
My Wi-Fi is slow. I can't like.
the 4th floor, okay? Press 4.
I'm stuck.
You have to jump. That happened to me too.
Where are we going to?
4.
Yeah, 4. Click on the number 4.
Come with me. LOL. Okay, this is our room. Wait until that guy moves. Because I feel like he's going to come into our room. He's just watching us. That's kind of creepy, but okay.
Oh my gosh! Now can I change this outfit? I think that there's too much accessories. It's like glitching. I'm gonna go to sleep. Bye.
Shut up.
Okay. I'm gonna change now.
But this is our sleeping places.
Get out. No, I'm gonna shower and you get out.
She went in there first. Oh, Rosie, you can go into this room and change.
Wait, that's fine. I'll just reset and keep on face. Okay, wait. I have to change first. Room, which is so ugly.
I gotta put pajamas on.
Hey guys, I changed back. And I'm gonna reset myself.
Ew.
Okay. Nobody cares. In my normal outfit.
Is there any dinosaur pajamas? I want dinosaur pajamas.
I'm turning off the TV.
So do you. Roasted. Okay. This is my pajamas. Oh, where did your hair go?
My hair?
No. Blue's hair.
Wait.
Blue's hair's gone.
Yeah, but my hair.
It's daytime.
It's baby time. Okay, I'll just make myself a baby.
I guess it's been 24 hours. So can we change back now?
No.
Please.
It isn't 24 hours.
We have two
I'm
more.
calculating the time, okay?
We have 2 more minutes. Able to record.
We have what, Sophia?
2 more minutes to record.
Okay.
So can we just change back to our normal selves?
Well, I know how to put the videos together. You know, like the video stops, right?
Yeah.
But in the Flamingo, where you put the videos together.
But this is on computer.
Then you could still download something.
I don't think my dad will let me. Can we just say
Or
but
you could do part 1, part 2.
Okay. So this is gonna be part 1, you guys. So this is the end of part 1. Come back for part 2, which will be posted in a little. So yeah, bye in a little bit.
Oh.
Rosie, what are you doing?
Bye-bye.
Stop running around.